Did you know that over 98% of Americans do not get the needed vegetables in our diet that we need? Today, we're going to take a closer look at how it is achievable. The vegetables that we purchase in the grocery stores just doesn't have the vitamins and minerals that our body needs, simply because one type of vegetable is grown in the same soil over and over. This depletes the soil from nutrients that our body needs. This is why people have to take synthetic vitamins just to get a minute amount of synthetic form of vitamins and minerals needed for their bodies to live and thrive. The best way to consume any kind of vegetable is grow it yourself and practice rotational gardening. Rotational gardening is planting different types of vegetables in the soil so that it can replenish the soil of the vital vitamins and minerals. This means you are getting what you need naturally without adding anything man-made and toxic in your body in the form of vitamin pills. So, how can we get more healthy vegetables in us? You can use green powder. Now, I know what you are thinking. Green powder doesn't taste good and it's expensive. Yes, if you purchase the pre-made green powder, it is expensive. Why not make your own? Would you rather consume an entire plate filled to the top of vegetables, or would you rather consume 3 tablespoons of green powder blended into a smoothie or put into hamburger meat before it is grilled, or added to soups or stews? When you hide it in items, you don't really taste it, and you are getting the vegetables your body needs. All you need to do is grow vegetables, take the leaves of certain ones, dry them, crush them into a powder, and put them into a jar. Then all you have to do is reach for the jar when you need a few more vegetables in your diet. I really like growing kale. But we can also use lettuce leaves, spinach leaves, sweet potato leaves, herbs, etc. to grind into a powder. Use the leaves of what you have already growing. So next time you're at the supermarket, look and see how much the green powder is. I bet you will find an 8 ounce anywhere between $30 and $40. I'd rather make my own because you know what you will be eating. You know it is grown from your crop rotated garden, and you are using leaves that would have went into the compost pile anyways. So it's basically free. Do you use green powder? How do you consume it? Let me know in the comments below. SHTF Survival Homestead Teaching Farm thanks you for watching this video. Please continue to help us help you by liking, sharing, and subscribing.